Hello, welcome to a different kind of video than I usually do, and this is going to, I guess, be called an unboxing video. Today, Lego 2KDrive was made available. I have downloaded it. I'm ready to run it for the first time. I got this game to run on my PC platform under Steam, as you can see. I've got it primarily for my grandson, who is a Lego kind of guy, as well as he likes racing games such as Mario Kart. And I thought this would be fun, especially since it says that we can do a split screen and race together or something along those lines on the same PC, which I'm looking forward to. I've used some of the other Lego games as well as him and I play Minecraft Dungeons together. So let's get on with the unboxing of this for the first time. So nice to know that the executable has not been recognized by Norton yet. It has started up in a single window, which I'm hoping we can change once we get further into this. Nice, it recognizes my PlayStation 4 controller on the PC, as you could see by the key that was out there very quickly. I don't want to do that, but I might wait and do this later, just not to do it online. So let's go ahead and skip the creating of an account. Let's go into settings. There we've got the controls. Jump, however, we'll look at those later. Video. We don't want it to be windowed. Let's see what happens if we... Awesome, now we have full screen. So now we can go back into the settings, take a look at those controls. Boost with the X, accelerate, brake with the triggers, a couple of camera settings, steering the horn. We'll have to remember those later. Out of there. Alright, let's go and just start a gameplay without going into the garage or anything. Let's choose a single race. Love the Lego worlds where they build everything in the game. Oh, what a cute little car. Whoa, big Rex. We got guns. Oh, put on the water in a boat. How cool. Got a jetpack. Back to the boat. Hey, what's that guy doing over there? We got a jet engine, which we didn't have for very long. Back to the boat. Hey, what's that guy doing up there? Ghost mode. Alright, kind of fun. See how it works out. More things to explore. So that is basically the unboxing. They do a dance at the end. Got some prizes and some money. I can spend that and build better vehicles. So kind of awesome. And we'll see when my grandson gets here after school what we can do with 2 players. So have a great day. Hope this gives you a quick first look at Lego 2K Race.